Solution based on previous video. What is email? Short for electronic mail. Email or email is information stored on a computer that is exchanged between two users over telecommunications. More plainly, email is a message that may contain text, file, images, or other attachments sent through a network to a specified individual or group of individuals. Right to advantages and disadvantages of email. Emails are delivered extremely fast when compared to traditional post. Email can be sent to one person or several people. The recipient needs access to the internet to receive email. Viruses are easily spread via email attachment. Most email providers scan email for viruses on your behalf. Next question. What are the differences between email and postal mail? Mail is a physical means of sending letters, including photos, content, letters, or parcels of various items. Email is electronic mail sent through the internet. It is sent to official or on personal email address that can be accessed by the particular individual anywhere and everywhere. Right format for an email address. Include a clear direct subject line. Use a professional email address. Think twice before hitting reply all. Include a signature block. Use professional salutation. Thank you. Now, student, today I am going to discuss about types of email services. Web-based mail. If your email is stored on the web, it is called web mail. The main advantage is that you can access a webmail account from anywhere around the world using a computer, an internet connection, and a web browser. Webmail accounts can be opened with various service providers like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Reddit Mail, etc. What are the advantages of webmail? It is simple, no setup required. You only need an email account with a service provider. It is portable and can be accessed anywhere using a browser. It saves space on your computer as the email is stored online on the server of the service provider. Next, application based mail. A type of email account where your emails are stored on your computer connected to the internet. This way you can access your email with special software usually called an email client. So it is also called a client based email. Different email client programs are available like MS Outlook, IBM Lotus Notes, Mozilla, Thunderbird, etc. Your email is stored on your computer, including deleted and sent mail, which gives you the access to manage your email offline. Advantages of application based email: it is accessible offline, you get immediate notification to your mobile phone or computer, you can manage multiple email addresses in one interface, means you can store multiple email addresses in your system as well as which interface you are using. In that particular interface you can store your multiple email addresses. Next, it is easy to back up your mail and store it on your computer. Okay, you can use advanced mail rules and filters. Now I will discuss about how will you create an account using Gmail. Okay, this is sign in. If you have already email account, this is for new account. Means if you want to create new account, you can create an account using this option. Okay, suppose you want to create your Google account. First, what will you do? This is you can see here. This is Google account page, means where you can create your Google account. So in this page you can see first name. Here you can write first name. Suppose your name is Anuma Singh. Okay, you can get Gmail username automatically, or you can select this one or that one. Okay, or you can write, or you can give your own username. Anuma Singh. Okay, it has been selected. Here you will write your password. Okay, use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. So your password should be a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Okay, now you can see. Wait, suppose okay, confirm. In this part you will see, means you have to give your phone number and you will get some security code, and you will confirm you are valid user. Okay. Now next is your email address. If you have any means another email ID or address, so you can give. Why you will give this email address? Because it will keep your account secure. Okay. For security purpose, you have to give your another email address or ID. Then what will you do? You have to enter month for date of birth. Okay. Day. Okay. Year. Pause. Uh, okay. You have given. And gender will be, if you don't want to say, you will select this one. If you are a female, you will select this one, and male for this one. If you don't want to say, yes, you will select this one, rather not say, or custom. Okay. Now your email account has been created. Okay. Isn't it? Agree. So after creating, you can see this is the you can get different option. This is inbox where you will receive your mails. Okay, here you can see the message which you will receive by another user. Using compose, you can write email. Okay, here you can use Google Meet for interacting with someone. Okay, now so you have already learned and you have already watched how will you create your account. To open an email account, okay, sending an email, replying to email. Okay, sending email, compose here. To means you have to write here receiver's email ID. Here you will write subject. Okay, means what is your purpose. Here you will write subject. Then you will start writing mail like manual letter. Okay. Then when you will click on this option, means send option, it goes to that particular person where you want to send this mail. Okay. And how will you reply mail? Okay. I will show you. If you want to reply particular mail, okay. Yeah. Here you can see reply option. When you will click on this option, you can reply your receiver's email. Okay. Homework for today is there are 5 fill in the blanks. Question number 6, give 2 disadvantages of email. Question number 7, name some email service providers. Thank you.